Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our Chevy Apache 3100. Is a Napco conversion. Got the Napco front end, has a Napco transfer case, so real Napco. 6-cylinder, 4-speed. He added power steering. He says it's got 373 gears, the previous owner told me. Lots of receipts go with it. So good driving truck. He says you can drive at 65 miles an hour. We'll run it down the road on my video and you can see, but nice solid truck. You can see in the pictures that the Napco stamping on the transfer case and front end. So that's how you got a 4-wheel drive back in the days. So see a little rust there on the front fender where they all rust. You can buy patch panels for that. And then the rocker panel, or the cab doors. Rockers are pretty good, no issues there. Here you can see the tag. Interior's kind of been done. He said this is a $3,000 seat. So you can see dome light works, headliner, dash been painted, tach. Here's your gauges. I realize the gas gauge doesn't work. We just got this in, so I haven't took a look at it yet. There's your 4-wheel drive sticker, new carpet, stereo system. So like I said, just one you can drive with the patina, or you can take it to the next level and make a high-dollar truck out of it. So body work's about all that's left to it. He redid the bed, put new wood in it. Nice chrome bumper. Said just the patina, but not really a lot of rust. The box looks good, so it's in good shape. You know, the box is green, the cab is orange. Probably was come off a different pickup. But said pretty cool truck if you're into these. Not a lot of them around. Most of them have been modified, so it's pretty cool to see one still have the 6-cylinder 4-speed in it. So like I said, the power steering's a nice add to it. There you can see put shocks on it, some brake lines. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.